Hello everyone, today we will be talking about the TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless N router WR845N. But before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, there is the big image of the Wi-Fi router right over here, and on the top left corner you can see the branding of TP-Link, and right below it you can find the model name. You can also see it provides you with 300 Mbps wireless speed like mentioned in the name, and you can see it connects to IPTV and it has multiple modes. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So there's our main unit right over here. Let me just take it out for you first. As you can see, it's of a very nice white and grey color. It has a very nice texture to it too. They have provided you with 3 antennas right over here. Moving on, you have a quick installation guide right over here. Furthermore, you can see there's a LAN cable right over here. There you go. And there's the GNU General Public License Notice right over here as well. Finally, we have the adapter right over here, and you can see it goes directly over here. There you go. So that's all folks. This was all about TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless N router. Thank you so much for